Alright, good evening everybody. I want to show you an app that you can use to track your finances easily, and it's very simple to use, and it is free. That's it, free. You can easily track your finances on your phone without paying any recurring fee or any monthly fee or any what they to call that fee again, upgrading fee. So for free you can track your finances. It's just a one-time fee. So this is how the app works. So if you look down here, you see August, September, October. This is for August, September, October, November, and December. Now if you zoom out here, if you zoom out, let me zoom out a little. Okay, let me zoom out a little. This by this side you can see on this screen, you can see the total amount. Okay, let me zoom out more. Now you can see the total income made in August is the first one on top. The total expenses spent in August is the one under. The expenses means number of money that went out of your account. And income means the amount of money that came into your account. Then profit, you also calculate the total profit you made in August. Then you will also help you calculate the average income per day, the average expenses per day, and average profit per day. So what you have to do is this: when you're recording your income, what you just have to do is come here, press on the under the name, change the name. What do you want to record? Let's say you sold let's say you sold one bag of rice. Okay, it's 2 bags of rice. Let's say you sold 2 bags of rice. How much income did you generate from there? Let's say 70,000 for the 2 bags of rice. Then let's say you sold like a single bag of beans. Now let's say that is 140,000. Then you press OK. And when you press OK, you observe that the income has changed from the amount that was there before to 394. Now this total income is the total summation of everything that is there. So let's now look at it. You see this total income in August is showing 394. Let's add money to it. Let's say you sold okay, 122 bags of yam. Your income, let's say you sold 122 bags of yam for 240,000, and click on OK. Are you seeing that the total income has changed from 397 to 610,000? Now, under your expenses, let's assume you bought 2 bags of rice, or let's say you bought 3 bags of rice in the month of August that you want to sell. You bought 3 bags of rice for let's say you bought 3 bags of rice for 85,000. You bought 3 bags of rice for 85,000. You bought 2 bags of beans. Say you bought 2 bags of beans for let's say you bought 2 bags of beans for 150,000. 150,000. Have you? Let's say you bought 2 bags of beans for 150,000. Then you sold one for 140,000. Then let's say you bought one and 22 bags of yam for 122 bags of yam for let's say 250,000. Then you sold it for 240,000. Are we together? So meaning you still have okay. Let's change this to 1 bag of beans. Let's say 1 bag of beans. You bought 1 bag of beans for. You sold 1 bag for 140. Bought it for 100,000. I'm just trying to create a fake data just for us to show how effective it is. Let's assume you bought 2 bags of rice for let's say you bought it for 40,000 naira. Now let's remove all these ones. We've not recorded them yet. So that's what we're recording for the month of August now. For the month of August. So now if you look at all this, let me remove all this. Now taking a look at this, you see your total income and your total expenses. The template will calculate everything and put it here. Now you see the total income you made in August by selling 2 bags of rice, 1 bag of beans, 2 bags of yam, and 5 bags of rice. The total income you made was 610,000. Then total expenses. Let's say you bought those. Okay, that is total of 7 bags of rice. Let's say you bought only 2 bags of rice. You had extra 5 before, so you bought 2 bags of rice in the month of August for 40,000. You bought 1 bag of beans for 100,000. You bought 122 bags of yam for 150,000. And then you see it has calculated your total expenses. Total expenses is now the summation of everything you bought, everything that is here. That is what is showing as total expenses. Then you have total profit and loss in August. Total profit and loss is the minusing your expenses from your income. You understand? Then the template also go as far as calculating your average income per day, which is 19,000. You also calculate your average expenses per day, which is 9,000, and you also calculate your average profit, which is 10,000. Now, if you look down further, you will see a bar chart that shows your income versus your expenses. The green shows for your income, the blue is for your profit or loss, then the red is for your expenses. This is for your expenses. And if you come down again, you see a pie chart. This pie chart represents your what's the name? Your expenses. It shows you where exactly you did all your money go to in August. So as at this now, you can look at it, you can tell for a fact that majority of your money went into yam in August. You spent about 51% of your money into yam. And you can also, if you go down again, you see your income too measured by percentage. Mainly looking at it, you can also tell where your money came from. Majority of your money came in from the yam you sold for around 39.3% of your total income came in from the yam, and that's it, and that's all. So by so doing, after you are done, you just click on save, put on device, click on device, save, then you see save, then you click on save. It's now on your phone. So every if you want to go back to it, you can access it from your phone too. You understand? So then click on here. You can see this is for the August. This is for August. If you look down here, you see September. This is for September. This is for October. We have October. We also have for November, and we have for December. So this template is enough to track your expenses between now and the end of this year. Yeah, it will give you all the visualization you need to make any business decision you want. So do you like the templates? Do you like it? So let us know in the comment section. Thank you.